Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize the navigation function on the Google Maps application, meaning that you can select the voice, route options, parking options and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this profile icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the settings section, tap on it. Click on the navigation option, the first one. Here you can see many sections. The first one is the sound and voice section. So you should tap on the relevant ones that you prefer. You can select from many options such as to play voice over Bluetooth or play as Bluetooth phone call, music playback controls. If you tap on it, you can select from these services. You can select the route options like avoid motorways, avoid tolls or ferries. You can select the map display, such as the color scheme, automatic day or night, parking location, and the walking options as well. So if you are done with these steps, just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner, and then all the data and info have been saved. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.